Hey guys, Roberto Lee here at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. Today we're going to preview this inventory home by Lennar. This is a non-golf home, part of the executive line of homes from Lennar here at Bonita National. This is called the Victoria. It's a 2-bedroom with a den, side-load garage, 1,850 square foot. Awesome home, paver driveway, tile roof, side-load garage, hurricane impact glass and doors. Right now, this home is almost ready to go, just needing a final punch list on this particular property. Otherwise, it's yours. Right now, they are offering a price of $395. Give me a call though. I can get you a $20,000 discount here on this particular home, down to $375 for a home here at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. That's an amazing price. Let's run inside real quick, take a look at this property, see if it's for you. This is one of my favorite floor plans here. Really simple living, 1,850 square foot, very easy to maintain. As you walk into this home, a couple things. On the left-hand side is the den. This is a true den. You'll have your glass door. You see it right there popped up against the wall. A lot of folks will use this as a flex space, a third bedroom, plenty big enough to put a king-size bed in there. Directly across from the den, you have a coat closet here in the hallway. And then directly to the right of the entry, a couple of things over here. We have the garage entry, washer and dryer, part of the package, utility sink there with the granite, really nice addition. And then you also have storage closets above the washer and dryer. And this takes you out to your 2-car garage. And you'll have an epoxy painted floor as well, which is really nice. And coming back in directly across from the laundry, you have your guest bath with your single sink, the commode, and then your tiled-in shower. And this is directly next to the guest bedroom here. This is the true guest bedroom. So you're going to have a closet in this one. The den does not have a closet. This one here does. And then going out into the main areas, this home opens up into a nice, great room design here. So really nice spacing here. You have your huge triple sliders there, looking over your lanai area. Then you have your corner kitchen here. And you've got a full stainless appliance package with the fridge, the wall oven, the microwave, the standalone cooktop with the vent over top of it. You get the crown molding, the tray ceilings here in the kitchen, also in the main area here, and then also right here next to the kitchen in your dedicated dining spot here. But this is awesome. You're here in your kitchen, you're overlooking the great room, always part of the conversation. Nice sized kitchen, great pantry right there with wood shelving. And then this all sits off the entry here to the master. Really big master bedroom here. You get the sliding glass doors out to the lanai, the tray ceiling, the crown molding. That's all part of the package here at Lennar, Bonita National. 5¼ inch baseboards. You get 2 closets here. The one on the left here is more your coat style closet. The one on the right here is going to be more of your walk-in style closet. And again, wood shelving in all the closets, really nice as well. And then this all sits right before your master bath. You're going to have your split vanities. You're going to have your soaking tub. And then your nice, huge walk-in shower here. And then you also have the separate commode room there. And then coming back out into the main area, one of the things I love about this floor plan is you have a dedicated half bath out on your lanai, so you already have a pool bath ready to go. Only thing you need, if you're interested in a pool, is your own pool design. The nice part about Bonita National is if you purchase a home that does not have a pool, you can use whatever pool contractor you like to build your pool. So you have a complete say in the design process and how you want your pool to look. This overlooks the preserve area here. Plenty of room for a beautiful pool. You can see one being built right next door there on the opposite side of this home and on the other side as well. Here's your pool bath here. Again, it's a half bath, just with a sink and a commode. Very convenient for when you put your pool in. And you get a ton of under lanai space here. Plenty of room for putting some lounging tables. Nice little entertainment area. So again, guys, to recap, this is the Victoria floor plan. It's a non-golf home. No golf dues for the year with this particular home. If you're interested in this property, again, they're asking $395,000. I know we can get you down to $375,000. That's a $20,000 discount in the pricing. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. You can reach me direct at 239-671-4046. If you're interested in this home, give me a call, 239-671-4046. You can also reach me at Roberto at bonitanationalcc.com. That's Roberto at bonitanationalcc.com. Or you can visit my website, bonitanationalcc.com, for all the latest and greatest information about Bonita National, to search all available properties, resales, the whole deal. I've got you covered with the Lennar properties. This is Roberto Lee. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye now.